Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Luz and today's video is a keto update video. Today is Friday, day number 38 out of 100 days of keto challenge, which means that on Monday, the day that this video goes live, it will be day number 41 out of 100. We're almost halfway there. Although I've had great progress, I've also messed up recently. Last weekend was my son's birthday, so kind of knew I was going to be triggered from the get-go. We were going to have pizza and cake and ice cream for his birthday, and I had a feeling that it was going to be my treat day because I had just finished my 30 days of keto and I was thinking I deserved it. So there's nothing wrong with that. Obviously, you know, if you work really hard for 30 days and you feel like you deserve a treat. So I thought I'd treat myself on his birthday. My parents came for his birthday. My parents live in California and I live in Vegas, for those of you that don't know. And they came to visit me, and well, they came to visit my son for his birthday and obviously came to visit us. And my mom made pozole from scratch. She makes her food so, like, my mom's cooking, Mexican cooking is like, I can't compare any other Mexican food to her food because that's my mom's food and it's like traditional Mexican food from where we're from because there's so many. Okay, let's not get off a tangent. Anyway, so she made pozole and she brought it over and I had to have some. So I just went on a downhill from there. On Sunday, we had so much pizza left over, so I had to have more, and I had so much pozole left over, so I had to get more, and I just couldn't stop. I know a lot of people say, you know, when they have their treat meals, this was way more than a treat meal. This was a total disaster. I just could not stop myself, and I kept eating and eating. And now I'm not sure if that's such a good idea to wait so long to have a treat meal, or even, but then if it triggered me, like it legit triggered me to just keep wanting more bad food, quote unquote, and then you get into that mentality that, oh well, I already messed up, so might as well have this, might as well have that. And that's where I was stuck last weekend, and it kind of makes me a little bit disappointed in myself because I want to be an example for people out there doing keto. And I could have come up here and been like, oh, it was great, blah blah blah, but number one, the scale is totally reflected something horrible. And I'm not just trying to go off the scale or whatever, but it's a marker, you know, it's a way to measure and it's a way to track progress. So that went up, of course. And the other thing is that I want to be transparent with you guys. I don't want to lie and come up here and be like, my keto journey is so perfect, because it's not. And that's part of the journey. It's, you know, you're going to mess up. Things are going to happen. So Monday morning, I felt horrible. I felt like crap. I woke up feeling unmotivated and lethargic. I was so lethargic that whole weekend, especially on Sunday. I was just like sleeping all day and I felt bad about myself. And Monday morning, I felt a little bit better, but not like 100%. I still felt unmotivated, but I still managed to get my butt to the gym. I still managed to fast until after my gym time. I started slowly feeling better, so I'm getting there, back, you know, back on track. I did meal plan this week. I made the pork egg roll in a bowl. I did film a clip of me making it, so I'll go ahead and insert it now. into these containers for my meal plan for the week. So each of these contain 10 grams of carbs, so I divided it into 5 different containers. That way I can have 5 different meals. And then this one is for today. This is the finished results once you put the sesame seeds and more sriracha. Oh, one more thing I forgot to add. It's just a little bit of green onion, and that's it. In my family, I'm the only one doing keto, so I only cook keto stuff for myself, and for my family, they usually just eat stuff I'm not supposed to have. It's kind of like meal prepping for one in a sense, because like I said, my kids and my man do not eat keto. They eat a bunch of carbs, which is kind of a trigger to be honest. So with that being said, guys, let me go ahead and show you guys my results for this week. So those were my results for week number 5. Not the best. I'm not proud of myself, but I'm picking myself up, dusting it off, and just pushing through. Anybody out there that cheated last week or is cheating right now or has cheated in the past, all we got to do is just keep on pushing through, guys. We can do this. Hoping you guys can pull through the hurdle with this one as well if you're going through it. But things happen and shit happens, and that's just the way life is. We just gotta keep going and push through. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you're new, please go ahead and subscribe. And while you're at it, hit that notification bell. That way you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys and stay blessed. Bye.